Hey guys, Clay from Tailwind Customer Success here. Got a real quick video for you today all about the differences between button links and post links on Smart.Bio and why you should be using both of them to drive traffic to your goods, products, services, pages outside of Instagram. So directly whenever somebody goes to your Smart.Bio link, they're going to see buttons right up here at the top. These are called button links. This is the area of your Smart.Bio page where you want to host your latest and greatest content, or possibly even the newest promotions, specials, hot products that you're dropping, whatever it is. This is where you want to see it, or rather, this is where you want to put it, because this is the first place that people are going to notice whenever they come to your Smart.Bio page. So maybe you have a part of your website where people can go to sign up for a newsletter. This is a really good place to host it. Maybe you just want to send people to, the overall shop page for your e-commerce site. Great place to host it. What you don't want to include up here is super specific things related to a post that you just put out. That's what post links are for, right down here. These are going to be a visual representation of what you put out in your grid, what you put out in your feed, and it's going to be the connection piece between that actual post and driving people where you want to send them off of Instagram. So whenever you publish a post, make sure that in that post caption, if you're going to turn it into a post link, make sure that you put a CTA or a call to action that says, click the link in my bio for more information. What's going to happen is they're then going to go to your Instagram profile, click that link, click that Smart.Bio link. It's going to drive them here. They're going to see the post that they were just looking at, and they're going to tap on it and it's going to take them elsewhere. Okay. And you can actually pull across previously published posts and make them into links. So even if, you don't really have an idea of where to get started, this is a great place. Hit the load more button. You can scroll through all of your previously published posts on Instagram and turn it into a link just by adding a link label, adding where you want to send them, and then adding that to your Smart.Bio page. I hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos like this. Have a great day.